Thanks bro, pinapanood ko rin vids mo sa YouTube. Uy, thank you po, maraming salamat. Actually, I'm torn between Veloz or BRV. My only concerns are ground clearance, performance, and fuel efficiency. Kamusta naman? God bless. So sige, thank you so much Pepper. Shoutout sa'yo. Sagutin natin. Well, with regards to your concerns, if you're gonna choose Toyota Veloz, no? Simple lang, ito lang talaga masasabi ko. Honest, and this is really my real life experience. Ground clearance, it's totally fine, honestly, para sa akin. With 1 year plus, almost 2 years na of usage or ownership of Toyota Veloz, nothing really like life changing siguro or life altering na situations wherein you would want the higher ground clearance. With Toyota Veloz, everywhere I go, everywhere we've went through, long trip, city driving, solve lang talaga sa ground clearance guys. Okay na talaga. Performance naman, as a Honda or a previous Honda Civic user, no, I understand the power and yung performance talaga ng Honda. I can distinguishly feel the difference. But yun nga, okay naman. Di rin siya ganun ka like mabagal or you'd want something more. Okay lang din talaga ang performance ni Veloz para sa akin. Kasi meron siyang eco mode, meron siyang normal mode, and meron din siyang power mode. So when I want the harabas feels, I just turn on the power mode. But if just normal or with the normal mode, okay na, pumapalag din. And eco mode, kalmado lang, suabeng-suabe. Yun yung para sa akin, which leads me to the fuel efficiency. Yan nga, you can get as much as 12 kilometers per liter. So para sa akin, walang problema talaga with regards to your concerns. Not to mention pa na yes, elegante, simple lang si BRV, pero sa akin kasi I wanted a little bit of like flash or a little bit modern na look, both sa exterior tsaka sa interior. So para sa akin, if you really are considering Veloz and yun yung concerns mo, it's not really bothering para sa akin, or hindi siya deal breaker. So for those who wanna know more about the Toyota Veloz and all these other 7-seaters in the segment, I created a playlist for you on YouTube. Go ahead and check it out. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more.